This tutorial is to show students how to alphabetize works on a works cited page and how to use hanging indention. And so as you can see, I've gone to my MLA cheat sheet and it has showed me a little checklist of what I need to do to create a works cited page. So let's just say I've been researching and I've been able to, especially like in the databases where they have the cite tool, and I'm able just to copy and paste citations, and these are going to be what I'm going to use in my paper, reference in my paper. So all I've done here is I've created a works cited page centered title, and it's double spaced, Times New Roman, 12 font, and then I've entered down twice, and I've just copied and pasted the sources that I'm going to be using. Okay. As you can see, they're not in alphabetical order. And a lot of students will just leave it like this and turn it in, but there'll be point deductions because of the formatting. So you want to make sure you format it correctly. So let's alphabetize first. So in order to alphabetize these sources, you want to highlight the entire section of sources. And then if you go here to the top, you see an AZ button. If you click on that, and then you don't do anything else other than click OK, and then it will alphabetize it for you. This is still not correct. It still needs to be hanging indention for the second lines of each source. So in order to do hanging indention, you can highlight all the information, go to where it says paragraph right here at the top, click the little arrow, and then if you look, it'll say special. You click hanging, and then OK. There you have an MLA correctly formatted works cited page. Your sources are in alphabetical order and they use hanging indention. And as you can see, this is not a page with just URLs. You can't just put a website, slap it on there and think that that's okay. It's not. You have to make sure you compile all of the information that there is about a specific source to be sure to include in the actual citation. So this particular tutorial showed you how to alphabetize sources and also how to use hanging indention.